Do you want to create a stunning restaurant website for free? In this tutorial, I will show you how we will design a sleek homepage with a hero section, a stylish food menu, and a theme showcase using Astra Theme, Elementor Page Builder, and a free food menu plugin to make it all happen. This is perfect for restaurant owners or web creators. Let's get started. For this, go to the Appearance, Theme to add new theme. Then click on Upload Theme. You will find some free WordPress themes available for installation. Among them, Hello Elementor theme is highly suitable, so install and activate it. Now go to the plugins to add new plugin. Type Elementor in the search key box and install it. Then again on the top, click on Add New Plugin and search Food Menu by Radius Theme. More than 3000 active installation. This plugin allows you to showcase restaurant with WooCommerce online order. This is the interface of food menu settings. Now we will add the category. For this, provide a name like pizza and then go to the Add Food. From Food Menu dashboard, provide this title with a short description. In the food details, set your price and set the categories and select a featured image for this. Now click on Publish. Now go to the page to add a new page. Now provide a title like Home, then click on Publish. Now on the top, click on Edit with Elementor. This is the interface of it. Now click on this plus icon and select one structure and go to the style. Click on Background Type and to edit your image resolution, position, etc. Then drag the heading and drop it here. Provide your required title and you can also change the text color if you want, along with the alignment and typography like size. Next, drag and drop text editor. If you want, you can also provide a short description. Then go to the style again to customize its typography like size, alignment, etc. For next, drag button and drop it here. You can also customize button type and the text. Now again go to the style to change and customize button typography like size and its weight. For the layout, you can customize its height, like you can make it smaller or larger according to your preference. Then go to the content to customize your paragraph. Next, click on this plus icon to select a structure of 2 rows. Then on the top, again click on plus icon, drag image and drop it here. You can select any photo for your food menu. Then drag and drop heading and provide a suitable title for this. Next, drag and drop text editor for the description. Then go to the style to customize its text color. Now if you want, you can also change its layout. For the background, choose a perfect image for this and then click on Advanced to customize its margin, padding and etc. For the next, click on plus icon again and select a structure. Like previous, drag again heading and provide a title for this. Next, customize your alignment and from the advanced settings, customize its margin. Go to the style for changing your text color. Now we will create a food menu. Go to the shortcode generator to add a new post. Provide your title like menu and in the layout, you can select 2 types of layout, list layout and grid layout by categories. Then select layout and see the preview below. Let's try list layout and click on Publish to save. Let's edit with the Elementor. Type and search food from the food menu plugin widget. Then drag and drop it here. Select your shortcode like menu. Next, click on plus icon and select a structure. From the advanced, set its margin. Click on plus icon from the top and drag heading to drop it here. Provide your title. Go to the style to customize its alignment. Then again click on plus icon. Select a structure of 4 rows. Go to the layout, click on the plus icon, drag and drop image. Select any image of yourself. Add your headings and provide the name. If you want, you can change its typography under the style settings like size. Then drag the heading again, provide the scale of them and set its alignment, also the typography and the size. Go to the advanced to set its margin. If you want, you can change and customize the border type and the border width. From the advanced, you can set its padding along with the margin. Thus, you can create more and more by duplicating for your seamless customization. Then you can set their name and the scale of their works. Now click on Publish to save. Let's visit to see the customization what we have made so far. Now let's create a page. So go to the page and click on Add New Page. For creating menu page, provide the title like menu and click Edit with Elementor on the top. Select a structure and then image for your background. If you want, you can change its position, display size, and etc. Then drag and drop the heading and provide the suitable title for this. Again, you can change and customize its alignment along with the text color. From the layout, you can resize its minimum height. And under the style settings, you can customize the typography like size and the background type and color. Next, again select a structure and from the advanced, set the margin and drag and drop the heading. Provide the title for this like pizza. Go to the style to customize its alignment. Again, drag and drop the food menu. Select the shortcode like pizza. Then go back to the shortcode generator from your food menu dashboard to see it at a glance. Alright, let's back for editing menu with Elementor. Then type and search food in the food menu plugin widget. Drag again food menu here. From the advanced, set the margin and select the shortcode like set menu. After that, select again a structure and go to the advanced to set its margin first. Then drag again heading and provide the title as fast food. From the style settings, set your alignment. Follow the same process and drag and drop food menu again. Do not forget to select the shortcode as fast food. Now click on Publish to save and visit the food menu page again. Click on any one of it and see the single food menu page. Here it is. Now create a page and click on Add New Page. Provide a title like Contact Us. Now we are creating Contact Us page. Click on Publish, then click on Edit with Elementor. This is the interface. Like our previous customization, select again any image to enhance our site performance. Set the position. Then go to the layout, set its height, then drag heading and drop it here. Provide the title as Contact Us. Then from the style settings, customize its text color along with the typography like size and alignment. Next, select a structure of it and set its margin from the advanced settings. Drag and drop Google Maps to search your restaurant or location. Provide the location name. Set its height. Next, go to the plugins to add new plugin. We will install the Contact Form 7 plugin for creating our Contact Us page. Click on Install and activate it. Now go to the Contact, copy the shortcode, back to the Edit with Elementor, and paste the copied shortcode here. Next, click on Publish and visit the page. We have already created 3 different pages: Home, Menu, and Contact Us. Let's visit one by one. This is our menu page, and this is the Contact Us page. Let's back to the dashboard. Go to the Appearance. From the Add Menu items, click on Custom Links and type your contact number as your URL. Write a text for your link text. Then click on Add to Menu for adding this for the contact. Let's have a look so that you do not skip anything. If you further want, you can again add the button as Discover More. For the style customization, you can modify the typography and the position. Go to the content, provide the link, and click on Publish to save this. Go to your page to visit your further customization. Let's have a look one by one. Thank you for staying with us.